In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload your course on Udemy. This process is a critical step for getting your content out to learners around the world and can be your gateway to teaching thousands of students online. So let's get started, step by step, to get your course published and available to the eager minds waiting to learn from you. First, you'll need to navigate to your Udemy dashboard. Once you're there, look for the option marked Instructor. It's typically located on the top navigation bar of the site. By clicking on the Instructor tab, you'll access all your creator tools and resources, which are essential for managing and uploading your courses. If you are new to the Udemy platform, you might notice an array of features available to instructors designed to streamline your course management experience. Once inside the instructor dashboard, the next thing you'll do is select the specific course you want to work with. This could be a brand new course you've started to develop, or one you've been working on for some time. Click to either edit or manage this chosen course. You will now have access to all the sections where you can adjust and finalize your content. This is the space where you'll ensure everything is set before hitting that upload button. Now, as we proceed, you'll need to click on Curriculum under the Create Your Content section. This should lead you into the heart of your course creation experience, i.e., here is where you'll organize your lectures, sections, and any content that is part of your course roadmap. Ensuring everything is logically structured will not only help you, but also ensure that students can easily follow along and derive as much value as possible from your teachings. Following this, locate the Resources option, which is where you'll be adding any supplementary materials, documents, or links that complement your lectures. This might be where you upload handouts, additional reading, or other supportive materials meant to enhance the learning experience of your students. Click this option to prepare for the upload process. Finally, you will click on Select File to upload your course. Here, you can begin the process of uploading your video lectures, slide presentations, or any other primary teaching materials you have created. Make sure all your files are properly formatted and ready for upload. Accepted formats typically include video files, PDFs, and some audio files, but always double-check Udemy's current requirements to avoid any surprises. And there you have it. Your course content is well on its way to becoming available for students worldwide. Remember to review all your course materials and descriptions for accuracy and quality before hitting the Publish button. By following these simple steps, you've set the stage to share your knowledge and skills on a platform that reaches a global audience. Good luck with your course.